In northern Spain, there is a place still largely undiscovered by many investors. A region where mountains meet the Atlantic Ocean. A place renowned for its natural beauty, rich culture, and exceptional quality of life. Here, historic properties stand as quiet witnesses to centuries of history. Today, Cantabria is entering a new stage of economic development. Major infrastructure and technology initiatives are drawing billions in investment. This transformation is creating rare and compelling real estate opportunities. Our work centers on identifying exceptional properties and restoring them with skilled professional teams, preserving historical character with refined modern living standards. Discover distinctive real estate opportunities in northern Spain.